I've just got time. So like a few hours back, I just got my haircut done, and like I just leveled my shape. And right now, I'm going to get my fittings done. I'm gonna see what the outfit that I'm wearing and all this stuff. So stay tuned. And this vlog is all about my farewell, and I'm really excited for that. It's that we have to reach there by the 10 a.m. The invitation that we got, and I'm gonna show you the invitation. Just wait a minute. I have it in my bag actually. Where's it? Thank God I got the invitations. Just wait a minute. Just wait a minute. Okay? Yeah, that's my invitation, guys. Oh gosh, it looks.
2,000 years later.
So yeah, good morning, guys. It's 7 a.m. in the morning, and my whole voice has been changing recently, just a few days, because of the cold, because of the rain that's going on in here. So yeah, I think I'll just wake up, so I'm gonna freshen up. I will take a shower, my oil lay here, and I'm just gonna wash down. One of the most interesting part of today is that we all are going to be together. Like, we are just living together because we have to reach school by the same time. So all of the my friends are gonna come to my house, or I will just go to their house. Also, I don't know. I have to give a speech, and I have not prepared anything yet that I have to speak. I don't have a script. I don't have a page where I have written something. I don't know what is gonna happen on that time. I think. I don't know, I'm just gonna say anything, whatever that comes in my mind. Okay, yeah, so quickly I'm just gonna get ready, and then I will show you what I was doing. Okay, also I'm just gonna be going to the school. First of all, I'm gonna meet a friend. So yeah, I've just come from my shower right now, and it looks much more freshen up right now. So I feel fresh. Now I will just get my outfits done, get styled, and my hair and all the stuff, and apply some serum and stuff, and then I will show you my whole outfit, and we will going to the family. Bye. Subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and press the notification bell to get notified every time I post a new video. So that's me wearing my shoes. Of course I did not wear it from my home because I know that would be that can ruin my whole outfit. So yeah, I wore it there, then I get my tie and my blazer done, and because I was just wearing the black shirt with the black trousers. So yeah, that's how I just picked it. Of course, yeah, this is my whole over look, and yeah, the whole outfit was from Blackberry. I did not mention it, so I'm mentioning it. So and just happened that I just reached my school, and I'm just seeing right now. I'm just moving my tripod towards unoccupiable hands, and just like that, I think it's portable. I don't know, the light is not that vibrant right now. Still, I think it looks good, right? Isn't it? Okay, so I'm gonna show you my whole corridor, all the decorations and all the stuff. Yeah, they are working. See, they're still working, and it says farewell. Oh, और सब लोग मेहनत कर रहे हैं. And just like that, they are just working so hard, and everybody's taking pictures and all that. My friends are already there, so I'm just gonna be there. So let me take you in. You can see the whole view from the outside here, and it will be literally amazing. Hey friends, hi bol. Hi karna hi. Woo! And yeah, just like that, this has aesthetic walls. I will click amazing pictures right here if I get a photographer like that, and if not, then probably not. But then I think the program is gonna be really quick. Hi Preeti.
Hi.
कैसा लग रहा हूँ?
अच्छा लग रहा है. ब्लॉग बना रहे हो?
यस सर आ रहे हैं अंजना say hi. ले लो ओए सारे के सारे गिफ्ट डाल दिए एक सारे डाल दिए ना ओके लेट्स टेक देम एंड जस्ट चल ठीक है
that a new beginning is waiting for them all.
Thank you so much guys for watching the whole video. Watch the second part of my farewell video where it's gonna have all the completions, all the stuff that happened, all the programs that are gonna be shown there. Subscribe to my channel for all of that.